Debunking the myth, top 3 fruits for kidney detox and CKD combat. Are you tired of seeing sensational headlines promising quick fixes for chronic kidney disease, CKD? Do you want to know the truth about diet and kidney health? Let's debunk the myth of top 3 fruits that supposedly detox kidneys and combat CKD. The title promising a quick fix is sensationalized and oversimplifies a complex medical condition. CKD is a serious, progressive condition that requires comprehensive management. There are no quick fixes or miracle cures. CKD is a serious condition that needs careful medical attention. It's not something that can be resolved with a simple dietary change. Don't fall for misleading claims that offer false hope. No single food, including specific fruits, can detox your kidneys or combat CKD fast. This is a dangerous oversimplification. Real management requires a multifaceted approach. Your kidneys are the body's natural and highly efficient filtration system. They work tirelessly to remove waste and excess fluids from your blood. They are essential for maintaining overall health. Healthy kidneys do not require external detoxing. They are designed to cleanse your blood naturally. The idea of needing a detox is often a marketing gimmick. The concept of detox is misleading in the context of kidney health. It implies that kidneys are somehow dirty and need to be cleaned. This is simply not true. A healthy, well-planned diet is absolutely crucial for managing CKD. It can help slow the progression of the disease. It can also help manage symptoms and improve overall well-being. Diet supports kidney health by reducing the workload on the kidneys. It helps control blood pressure and blood sugar levels. However, diet alone cannot cure CKD. CKD progression is influenced by various factors, including genetics, underlying health conditions, and lifestyle choices. Diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Medical treatment is also essential. Fruits can be a valuable part of a kidney-friendly diet. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, not all fruits are created equal when it comes to kidney health. Specific fruits and the quantities you consume need careful consideration. Some fruits are higher in potassium and phosphorus than others. These minerals can be problematic for people with CKD. Individual needs and the stage of your CKD must be considered when choosing fruits. What's appropriate for one person may not be appropriate for another. This is why personalized guidance is so important. It is essential to consult with a nephrologist, a kidney specialist. They can accurately assess your kidney function. They can also develop a personalized treatment plan. You should also consult with a registered dietitian who specializes in kidney disease. They can help you create a kidney-friendly meal plan. They can also help you manage your potassium and phosphorus levels. These professionals can assess your individual needs and the current state of your kidney function. This assessment is crucial for determining the right dietary approach. Don't rely on generic advice. Professionals can determine any necessary dietary restrictions based on your lab results and overall health. They can also help you understand why these restrictions are important. This knowledge empowers you to make informed choices. Individuals with CKD often need to limit their potassium intake. High potassium levels can lead to dangerous heart problems. This is a serious concern that needs to be addressed. Individuals with CKD also often need to limit their phosphorus intake. High phosphorus levels can contribute to bone disease and other complications. Managing phosphorus is crucial for long-term health. A registered dietitian can help you identify fruits that are lower in potassium and phosphorus. They can also help you find delicious and nutritious alternatives. This ensures you still enjoy a variety of foods. The dietitian can also determine appropriate portion sizes for different fruits. This helps you stay within your recommended potassium and phosphorus limits. Portion control is key to managing these minerals. Adequate hydration is crucial for overall kidney health. It helps your kidneys function properly. It also helps prevent kidney stones and other complications. Fruits with high water content can contribute to your daily hydration needs. They are a delicious and refreshing way to stay hydrated. This is especially important for people with CKD. For example, watermelon is a fruit with high water content that can aid in hydration. However, it's also relatively high in potassium, so portion control is important. Always consider the overall nutritional profile. A balanced diet is essential for overall health and well-being. It provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet. This ensures you get a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Choose fruits and vegetables of different colors for optimal nutrition. Also include lean protein sources, such as chicken, fish, and beans, and whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa. These foods provide essential nutrients and help you feel full and satisfied. Be wary of claims promising quick fixes or miraculous results for CKD. These claims are often too good to be true. They can also be harmful if they lead you to abandon proven medical treatments. Be especially wary of claims that promote specific foods as detoxifying or curing CKD. There is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Rely on evidence-based information from trusted sources. Managing CKD requires a comprehensive approach that includes medical treatment, lifestyle modifications, and dietary adjustments. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient and consistent with your efforts. This comprehensive management should always be under the guidance of qualified healthcare professionals. Don't try to manage CKD on your own. Seek expert advice and support. Remember, fruits are not a magic bullet for CKD. They can be a part of a healthy diet, but they are not a cure. Focus on a balanced and personalized approach to managing your condition. A personalized approach is essential for managing CKD effectively. What works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare team to develop a plan that's right for you. Guidance from medical professionals, including a nephrologist and a registered dietitian, is crucial for managing CKD effectively. They can provide you with the knowledge and support you need to live a long and healthy life. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for help. Call to action: don't fall for misleading claims about quick fixes for CKD. Schedule an appointment with a nephrologist and a registered dietitian specializing in kidney disease. Take control of your health and get the personalized guidance you deserve. Visit the National Kidney Foundation website, kidney.org, to find resources and support near you. Your kidneys will thank you.